In this video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the basket weave stitch, which creates this basket type texture. We'll be using our new wave yarn in oyster shell with the 6.5mm crochet hook. So let's get started. Starting with a slip knot, you'll need to make a foundation chain of a multiple of 6 plus 4 stitches. Then make a turning chain of 3 stitches and work 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. Continue working a double crochet till the end of your row. Make a turning chain of 2 stitches and turn your work round. Then, skipping the first double crochet, work 3 double crochet stitches through the front post. Then, work 3 double crochet through the back post. Now repeat these 2 steps until the end of the row. Then work 1 double crochet into the top of your turning chain from the row below. This is where you'll be making 1 extra double crochet. So now you'll be repeating this whole process 1 more time. So once you've completed those 2 rows, your work should start looking a little bit like this. So the next row is going to be the same process but start off slightly differently. You'll still be starting off with 2 chain stitches, turning your work, and now you'll be working 3 double crochet stitches through the back post first. And now you'll be working 3 through the front post. So you need to repeat these steps till the end of the row, and the row above doing the same, starting with 3 through the back post. So once you've completed these 2 rows, this is what your work should start to look like. You'll just need to carry on repeating these 4 rows to complete the basket weave stitch. The more foundation chain stitches you make, the bigger your work can be, like so. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.